Hey guys, I'm Justin with XDP, and today I'm going to be giving you an overview of the DFC Remanufactured Street Series 6-liter long block. We get a lot of questions on how these ship, and DFC spares no expense. DFC ships your engine in their molded crate, which gives it more protection in transit. DFC even uses these tilt alarm notification stickers, so you know when your engine wasn't mishandled in shipping. DFC supplies you with an owner's manual that has important details in it about what oil to use and guidelines for those first few hundred miles of operation. DFC also gives you a warranty registration form and core return assessment. You will want to read these documents over before installation. Inside the crate, DFC wraps the engine in a layer of plastic and secures it in place with straps for added protection during shipping. Using a hoist, carefully remove the engine from the crate. Reminder, do not discard the crate. Your old core needs to be returned to DFC's supplied crate to receive your full core charge. What makes a DFC engine is the extra steps taken during the remanufacturing process. DFC Diesel uses only the highest quality equipment during the remanufacturing process, and they also address many known problem areas during the build, such as better sealing methods for leak-prone areas. In the bottom end, DFC builds each engine to tighter tolerances than the OEM. They also match the weight of each piston and connecting rod assembly to be near identical across the engine. This extra step gives you a smoother running engine that is more balanced with less noise. DFC also completely remanufactures each cylinder head. During this process, they install all new valves from high-quality sources, and they machine and install new valve seats to help eliminate cracking that is typical with the factory cylinder heads. So what makes the Street Series a step up from the typical long block is that DFC uses ARP fasteners in this engine. They've added head studs to this build, which is a must-have in the 6-liter Powerstroke engine. In the bottom end, they also added ARP connecting rod bolts for added durability. This Street Series long block engine comes complete with the front and rear covers, engine oil pan, and cylinder heads. DFC has also taken some of the hassle out of the install. We don't have to set timing, do valve adjustments, or anything else like that. The rest of this build-up is just bolting in the fuel system, turbo system, and remaining components. To find out more about the DFC Street Series long block engine, or to find one for your truck, check out xdp.com.